I'm Raya Al-Sukari. I work at International Sales here at Malco.
Hi, I'm Luis Vernon. I'm the Director of International Sales.
Today we're going to talk about some of the interior detailing for your vehicle if you are living in a dry desert climate. So let's get started. If I want to remove dirt, sand, and dust from my interior, where do I start?
So the first and the most important thing is to do a really deep vacuum of the interior of your car. So you can do that either with a shop vac or household vacuum, and you really want to go thoroughly through all the carpet, all the fabric of the car. Once you've done that big vacuuming to remove all the moving debris, if you've got access to a shop vac that has a reverse flow, you can use that to blow whatever you didn't vacuum so you can have a perfect vacuuming cleaning into the car. And once the blower thing is done, you can do the final re-vacuuming of the car so you make sure everything is taken out of the car and you can start doing the next step.
So when I'm done with that, what do I do next?
So once you've got all that thing vacuum and clean, the next step is you want to identify and use a very good carpet and upholstery cleaner. In our case, we're going to use our extract carpet and upholstery cleaner. So to use that product correctly, the first and most important thing with every chemical is to always use your product in an inconspicuous space. So if there is a color or change or transfer, you know it's not good. Once you've done that test, you can go spray your product directly on the carpet or your brush, depending which, if you use an aerosol or if you use a sprayer, and then you can clean up whatever stain or mark you've got on any of those carpets. When those carpets are clean and you've removed all those main stain, whatever you want to do, it's to protect it. And for that, you're going to want to use a protectant chemical. So this protectant in this case would be our Epic fabric coat that you would spray thoroughly over all the surface so it can protect. So when you get to a nice coverage of the cleaning, you can let it dry and it'll take about 24 hours to cure.
Great. So how can I clean and protect my hard and leather surfaces?
Those are two different things. Your hard and plastic vinyl surfaces, you want to use a special chemical, which we in this case use our Clean and Shine laser and plastic and vinyl, which is a formula that is made to clean and leave a very nice satin original finish. So you're going to use that product on a microfiber and apply it on every of those surfaces, which will be dashboard, doors, center console, and all that. Once this is done, you can take care of your laser. On your laser, you're going to have different steps. The first step is you're going to want to clean, then you want to condition, then you want to protect. So for cleaning, you can use the same exact product, which is Clean and Shine, laser and plastic vinyl. And you can use that on a microfiber and clean to remove any dust, grease, or anything that you would have on your laser. Then once this laser is clean, you can use our laser conditioner from Malco. And the laser conditioner will help the laser breathe again, be more smooth, and keep it from being hard and all those problems that you see with older laser or all laser that stay too much at the sun and dry. Once it's clean, it's conditioned, you want to protect it. For the protection, you're going to use Epic Laser Coat. Our Epic Laser Coat is a formula that has been especially developed in order to protect laser for UV or dirt or jeans color transfer and things like that. One thing you can't forget is for those three products, it's always good that you test it on an inconspicuous spaces to see if there's color transfer or marking of any of those products. So again, 3 steps for the laser: clean, condition, and protect.
So now you know how to properly clean and protect your interior surfaces under the harsh conditions of the desert climate.
I hope this helped, and if you have not already, please make sure to check all our video on how to clean your car in desert conditions.